I went to jail in Atlanta one time.
Oh, really?
And that alone.
I remember when you went to jail, Fox.
But what let me know.
I remember. Tell us what happened.
And I don't know how it went down. It was just a chain of events just out of no motherfucking way. And sometimes that's what happens to black people. We just have to notice, like, we don't even know that I'm leading myself when I got my shrimp thrown on the on the dinner floor by the waitress, and I said under my breath, "Damn, bitch," because I wasn't making a lot of money back then. This was
I remember
doing
that.
comedic theater. So at that time they give you like 4 shrimp, and a gang of fries, but the shrimp was really the payday. So the little babe threw my shrimp off and dropped 2 of my shrimp. That's half my goddamn produce.
Wow.
So I'm sitting there going like, so under my breath, I said, damn, stinking bitch. And I know she couldn't hear me. The bodyguard reads my lips from across the way.
Yeah.
Approaches me. Nah, here, you know, nah, you ain't gonna do that shit up in here, dog. I said, man, what is you referring to? I don't see the chain of events that 2 shrimp
is about to go to jail.
Is about to make me go to fucking jail.
Are you famous at this time?
No, I'm not famous. No. I'm not. We just doing. This is like 90, 91,
92. Right.
So I'm not realizing that if it hadn't been for the fucking shrimp to spark this whole chain of events, if I could see somewhere a message in the shrimp. That's what I'm trying to say today. There's a message in the shrimp. Because if them 2 shrimp hadn't landed on the table, I wouldn't have been in jail. Because what happened to dude came over, he said, I read your lips, you ain't gonna talk about that girl like that. And the girl, it was a white babe, so I tried to play the race card. Nigga, that's a white babe. No, that's not. I guess he was going out with a bitch. So he was getting his Tay Diggs on. So I said, damn.
Oh,
so
what? His what?
What's not a secret?
What is Tay? He's dating white girls?
He dates white girls.
What? When has he not dated white girls?
I never date white girls.
Black men date white girls?
In public.
I don't date white girls. Save it.
Anyway, I'm just saying, so I guess, so boom, I didn't know that he was seeing that. Next thing you know, I'm flipping out the fucking back of the club like fucking Dorothy Hamill in a fucking floor exercise.
Olga Corbett in this motherfucker.
Motherfucking, what's another,
Nadia
Comaneci out this motherfucker. I'm flipping backwards and forwards, pipe, twist, land, the original white man in the police officer. You goddamn nigger, you're not gonna do this goddamn shit here. You picked the wrong goddamn tree to pee on, or whatever. They come up with some kind of fucking. You picked the wrong cunt or whatever the fuck. So next thing you know, man, I go to jail, and I'm sitting in the police car, and I'm asking the guy, what is exactly going on? And he's like, what do you mean what's going on? You're going to jail. I said, I can't believe it. So when you get to jail, man, and that fucking door opens.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And shuts.
When they slam when that motherfucker opens.
Yeah.
And I step forward, and that damn door closed.
It's a done deal.
I'm still not realizing that, my freedom has just been jerked.
Over what?
Over some fried shrimp.
How many shrimps, Fox?
2 shrimp. If I could just come out with a pamphlet called 2 shrimp to just let everybody read that 2 shrimp could really. So anyway, I get in there, and here's the thing: you're not realizing that you're a criminal, because I'm thinking I'm just, I'm not like these other people. Right. So the dude tell everybody, get up against the wall. He couldn't be talking to me. I'm gonna go have a word with him. I got real white. I'm gonna go have a word with this guy because it looks like I can reason with him.
Excuse me, sir.
I really got my steel on. I'm gonna go reason with him and see if maybe there was a mistake or maybe we can work this out. I said, excuse me, sir. Man, I said, get up against the wall and take your shoes off. I said, no, motherfucker, if you don't get your ass up against the wall and take your shoes off. They pushed me up against the wall and lifted me a little bit before I think my shoes just came off. You heard it. You heard both my shoes falling. And I was in jail, man. And listen, everybody out there listening to hip hop, everybody out there, let's not blame hip hop on anything, but let's as a collective group, everybody that I am speaking about right now is a millionaire. Foxy Brown, Mike Vick, O.J. Simpson, Remy Ma's probably not.
Because she was trying to get back her 2,000.
She shot a motherfucker for $1,200.
Yeah.
So I know $1,200
mean a lot, though.
But $1,200 will get you. I always think like that.
Yeah.